loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. Thank you so much for coming over to my channel. If it's your first time clicking on any of my videos, I really do appreciate it. My name is Deanna Marguerite. I hope you will like what you see and you will hit that subscribe button down below and you hit that bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming uploads. So this video is brought to you by SamsBeauty.com. You guys know I've been working with them forever, so I just am so happy that they have been extremely patient with me. I'm going to be doing a life update video really soon, and letting you guys know why my schedule has been kind of crazy lately as far as when I upload and all of that. It's been pretty sporadic and just here and there, so yeah, so you will know. Anywho, this is a wig show and tell, again from SamsBeauty.com. It is the infamous Yara Roots. So Yara came out maybe about a year and a half ago, maybe, the original Yara, and it went crazy. Everybody loved it. There's so many videos here on the YT of beautiful ladies just showing off their Yara units. There have been dupes. Other companies have been you know, making their version of Yara, so it's definitely a really nice bob unit. So yeah, of course this one is in the Yara family, so it's of course by BOBBI Boss. So here is the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. I did get her in the color RT Hot Red, cause you know it's hot girl summer, so we're trying to be hot, okay? So I have a twist out currently in my hair right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try my best to flatten this down in the back. So here's the unit. Look at that. Yes, that color is bomb. So it's definitely a plethora of different colors, as you can see down at the bottom. So many. So I seen my so many other girls try out this unit, and I'm thinking this is just a revamped version of the original Yara. It comes in different colors, and I'm guessing that they're calling it the Yara Root because there are dark roots, I'm guessing, on all of the units. From judging from the pictures, there's maybe one or two that doesn't come with dark roots. So yeah, here it is on the model. She has it in the color I guess the lilac color. It is heat safe. You get 5 inches apart in space. It has a top quality cap, pre-plucked, extra wide laced part, so you shouldn't have to pluck anything out. So yeah, I'm going to make sure that I give you guys my super honest opinion. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace. It is soft, so I'm just gonna speed through this part. Okay, as far as the construction, you're gonna get 2 combs in the front, that 5-inch deep parting space right there. Let me just go ahead and put it inside out so you guys can see. So 5-inch deep parting space, 2 combs in the front, a comb in the nape, and with the adjustable straps as well. So let's see, the hair is not dark rooted all the way through. I wish it was, but it is not. It is dark rooted from ear to ear though, so if the wind does blow, you will be okay. All right, so let me go ahead and put this baby on.
But we more than just friends. Oh, this is too much. I know I done screwed up. Thought it was true love. You left me unplugged, so just let me go on my way. Find me in bed, move to the baseline. I'm so done with these games, I'm tired of playing. You loving that playtime, and now you feel stupid, like a idiot. I ain't giving you my heart, just feel like it back. I ain't giving you my love, I ain't giving that. I hope you okay with knowing you brought the limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down. We used to lay up every night.
Okay, so here is Yara Roots. in the color RT Hot Red. So I really like this unit. It is, I feel like it's almost a mixture of Yara and Yara Sleek or whatever, mixed together, because the texture is not as yucky as the original Yara, but it does have the texture of Yara Sleek. So yeah, I would say it has more of a Yara Sleek vibe when it comes to the texture. As far as the cut, the original Yara seems to be a little bit more precisely cut, even though this one, there's not a huge issue, but I feel like with this side it's a little bit choppy. So I will say that. I love the dark root on this unit. I love dark roots when they don't come down so far, because I just feel like that, I don't like that look for me. So if you are, and this looks more expensive, it looks more like bundles, it looks more like natural hair, because when you get a dark rooted human hair wig, more than likely 8 times out of 10 it's going to be dark rooted like this. So with it just being like half an inch of actual dark roots, so it looks really, really nice. I don't think nobody is going to think that this is my natural hair. I don't really care. You can know that I have a wig on, like, as long as it looks nice and it looks, you know, presentable. So I really do like it. I did utilize the combs in this one because of what my hair is doing underneath. Usually I do not utilize the combs in any of my synthetic wigs, because I just feel like the longer you do that, the more you do that, your edges will be screaming at you, okay? So yeah, and they will just disappear after a while. So yeah, I wanted to make sure that I mentioned that, because I know you probably seen me utilizing them, and I don't usually utilize them. Usually my hair is like braided in, like, you know, like Cleo braids, and then just with my wig cap on, and I could just slip on a wig. So with this, with my hair doing so much in the back, it might be a little bit lumpy in the back, so I do apologize about that. But this wig does lay super flat. I love the cut. I love this red hot color. It is gorgeous. So definitely check out SamsBeauty.com for this unit and many others. They have so many units to choose from, so many hair pieces to choose from. If you feeling like you want a bun, a bang, all of that good stuff, they got it on their website, okay? Anything your beauty supply stores has, I'm pretty sure Sam's Beauty has it as well. So definitely check them out. I love this unit, so definitely add it to your cart if you haven't already, from the other divas that on the YT. If they haven't convinced you, please let this video convince you, because it is really, really a cute unit, and it's definitely screaming hot girl summer. It's so cute. I'm going to pack it up for next summer so that I can have it for that, because hot girl summer will continue, okay? But yes, I absolutely love it. You guys pray for me as I continue to pray for you guys. Click the links below, all of that good stuff. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you queens in my next beautiful in my next video. And be beautiful, especially on the inside. I love you guys, and I'll see you queens in my next one.